So yan, bumili tayo ng bangus. Nasa 20 kilo. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bili natin. Buy 1.5. Small, give me one more small. Maybe you find 1.5 kg, no problem. This one. Small. Small. This one, Mapi, small? Yeah? That small? 1.5? Also 2? No other? One more. This one okay. I need one more. 18.
Ako nakuha ko 13.
So ito na po yung ating biniling bangus. 12 pirasong 1 more than 1 kg at saka 2 kilo. So yan. Ha? Small? No more. All big. See this millfish. 10.50. Ito kasi malalaki na tong iba.